Mga makulistaan, dito kami ngayon sa Box Hill. Ganda ng mga bahay dito, mga mayaman na suburb to. Ito yung bahay ni Tita Rebelin at si Jaja. At i-deliver namin itong electric skillet salad master na nabenta namin. So isa sa mga part-time namin ay ito, nagde-demo kami ng salad master. Ayan. Pasok tayo sa loob ng bahay niya.
Ba't naman sinarado?
Well,
Kasi nga, wala ka ng susi. May
Ayan na, na-deliver na namin salad master. I'm gonna do something.
siguro,
Madilim na, no?
dyan,
Turn the light.
oo nga pala, business ni Ate Celia.
I love the Tesla because they can watch.
Yeah. Oo. Say hi. Say hi, Tita. You remember, Tita? You're the flower girl. Oh, what do you say? Say thank you po. Say thank you, Tali. Say thank you.
Grabe, napakaliwalas ng shopping center dito sa Box Hill, Carmel Village. Pupunta muna kami dito sa playground bago kami mamili ng baon ni Ate Sia.
My head's in a spin, you're perfect with your high heels on. I'm wondering if you will have a drink or two. So baby, help me sing this song. We can go all night, alright, drinking till the sunrise. So baby, won't you be mine? Living out the dream.
Yay! Tapos na maglaro yung mga bata. Tingnan nyo mga makulista, dahil yung mga binabayaran naming tax sa gobyerno, may mga na-provide sila ng mga magagandang mga libre na palaruan ng mga bata. Let's go inside. Oh, here we go. Tali's there. It's not shoot. What are we gonna buy? Baon? Who's gonna have baon? Huh?
Big Ferrero chocolate.
Where?
I'll show you.
Which one?
The grapes. They have the grapes.
Oh, you have sipon. Wipe your sipon. What's that? May pinapakita si Sia. Ano yan?
The big Ferrero chocolate.
How much is that? Check how much. Daming chocolate, oh. Hala.
Then they have
Ferrero.
this one.
Iba-ibang flavor. Maybe it's hips inside, ha? Ayun, may price, ha? Pero na how much. Walang presyo. O, tara na. Bilhin tayong baon mo. May nakita silang mga egg. Ayan, oh. Cadbury.
Dinosaur?
Yes.
Oh.
No, don't open it. Don't open it. Binubuksan niya na. Put it back. We're not buying it. Put it back. Sige na. Tika ng buksan ni Tali. Oh, let's go. Let's find nanay. Maglalaro kami dito sa loob. You ready?
Yeah.
You ready? 1, 2, 3. Catch, catch.
It's ready. I want to put in on my.
Let's get ice cream.
Yeah, ice cream. Oh.
Look, so many ice cream, guys. Yes.
Look.
Which ice cream do you want? Come on, guys. Look, ice cream. Yeah. Tapos mga makulista, ito naka-sale to $13.50. So $8.10 lang. Napakasarap nitong ice cream na ito. Caramel, biscuit, and cream. Which ice cream you gonna get?
For the kids.
Oh.
The mini. Kasi it's too big.
Which one? No stepping daw siya, don't get it.
Oh, the mini, anak. The small one lang for them.
Which one? I'll get it. Which one?
Ito yung mini.
They never said to step here.
I know.
changing mine. Where's mine?
You're changing yours.
Yeah, I'm gonna get another.
Tapos mga makulista, ang kinuha kong ice cream, itong caramel biscoff. Naka-sale siya ngayon. Ayan o, $8.10. So, nakasave kami ng $5.40. Look what we're getting. Their favorite yogurt.
80 cents.
So, 6 for $5.
No, 80 cents.
80 cents.
Okay.
What flavor is that?
Banana?
Ano pa?
Blueberry.
Blueberry, nasaan?
Tama ko mo.
Saan ba banda?
Yung blueberry.
Ito, yung blue?
Dalawa.
Masyado mataas. So, you want this?
Yeah.
This is blueberry yogurt.
Yeah. Okay.
Sobrang saya nyo, ha?
Okay, let's go. That's it, Fancy.
Kaya mga makulista, tapos na kami mag-grocery. Bali, naka $130 kami. Ito yung mga pinamili namin. Ayan, o. Marami-rami din yan. Uy, ang gugulo nyo mga bata. Tapos si Ate Sia nakakuha ng collectible toys. Ano yung Harry Potter?
Yeah. And then we just got the book. It's just $3.
Kapag ano,
If you spend over $30, then you get
mga toys.
Yeah.
So, ano yung mga nakuha mong toys? Pakita mo nga, open one of them.
Okay.
Magical, ano siya, cards na
It's just no,
binubuo.
it's like they look like this.
Parang pog.
Yeah.
Parang ano, pog sa atin sa
I already got
Pilipinas.
that one.
Ayan, o.
Oh,
Pog
I
siya.
think
You know how you play this one?
What?
I'll show you.
Is it like
Ito yung nilalaro
No.
kong pog noon nung bata ako, mga makulista. Pakita ko sa inyo.
you don't lose them? Oh.
Di ba? Ito yung pog na nilalaro natin sa ano, sa Pilipinas. Makulista, pauwi na kami, tapos na kaming mag-grocery. Na-deliver na yung Salad Master. At ito ngayon, nagkakaraoke yung mga bata dito sa loob ng sasakyan. Dito sa Tesla ay pwede kayong magkaraoke.
Sing loud, guys.